I've had many failures in my business career, but a lot of times some of my biggest failures turned into some of my most major successes, and this YouTube channel is a great example of that. I put out videos for nearly 2 years, not earning a single penny and barely getting any views on each video. But suddenly, at the age of 17, I had my first viral video and I made $2,800 in a single month from YouTube ad revenue. And it was essentially only uphill from there. So in this video, we're gonna purchase a business in the online e-commerce space, attempt to turn it around, and then hopefully flip it for a profit, serial entrepreneur style. And to begin this journey, we're gonna go to Flippa.com. This is a website where you can purchase all types of e-commerce stores ranging from the $100 price point to over $500,000. But since I'm sort of a brokey and we're trying to buy a failed business here, I'm gonna sort prices from lowest to highest and try to find a business that Financial Wolf Enterprises LLC can purchase for cheap and then flip for a profit later. I spent about an hour looking through hundreds of e-commerce websites listed below my budget of $1,000, and I found 5 potential stores to purchase. Going from cheapest to most expensive, the cheapest store that piqued my interest is one called Swahil.com, selling for just $149. It hasn't generated any revenue yet, but it sells products in the skiing niche, which is something I personally enjoy doing and have some knowledge of. This is also a store I think I could scale up pretty quickly since it's currently peak season for skiing, and it's also a hobby that isn't for brokies. The price of this website is also attractive to me in the sense it leaves some room in the budget to also purchase a theme page on Instagram or TikTok in the skiing niche, and I can market the products to that customer base that likely has the disposable income to afford them. But moving on, I also found this website DeFi Drone listed at $199, selling beginner-friendly drones with HD cameras to either hobbyists or people interested in the drone videography business. The next 2 stores are priced at $225 and $298, with one in the cycling niche and the other a pet store. And what made these stores really stand out to me is the professionalism of the websites. Both of them look really clean and well branded in their specific niches, and I don't know if this is true or not, but the pet supply store says that the domain alone, petfamilyshop.com, is valued at $4,000. And in my opinion, the pet store has huge potential for a subscription-based business model, sending your customers new supplies for their dog or cat every single month. And finally, the most expensive store that really stood out to me is this survival gear store that for $720 also comes with 2 months of free training on how to scale it up and make it a success. This is truly a difficult decision, but after a lot of thought and consideration, I decided I want to buy the survival gear store, truesurvivalgear.com, that's currently earning a monthly revenue of $700 with $210 in monthly profit. So with the $720 asking price, I think it's well worth it. After putting in a full-priced offer, it quickly got accepted, and after PayPaling the money over for the store, we now have access to the stunning WordPress website. We first are going to link with our supplier and product fulfillment software, AutoDS, which if you click the top link down below in the description, you can try them out for 30 days for just $1. AutoDS isn't only going to automate our business operations, but it'll also give us access to potentially cheaper costs on the items we're selling with faster shipping times, along with help us spy on ads that our competition is running to get sales. Let me show you how it works. For example, on the store we just purchased, its lifetime sales have come out to $3,257.13, and a good portion of that came from this 65-liter large capacity outdoor sports backpack, which from our current supplier comes in at an all-in cost of $43.01. But when you search the item on AutoDS, I found it for $25.08 plus $1.99 for shipping. That's just as fast as our current supplier. And the best part is, once we link our website with AutoDS, when an order comes in from a customer, it'll automatically be fulfilled for me. All you have to do is make sure you have auto order credits in your account, which you can do by clicking right here in the top right corner and purchasing the credits. This will save us a ton of time, especially as we start to scale the store. I just took some time going through the website, taking out some of the products I wasn't happy with, and adding in products that are currently trending in the outdoor niche, such as this 500 pack of glow-in-the-dark outdoor rocks, this portable camping stove, along with 3 other trending products. And I found these items by going to the handpicked product section on AutoDS and clicking on the outdoors category. But moving on to our marketing strategy for this website, a good tool you can put to use is AutoDS's Ad Spy feature, where you can search up a product you're selling on your website and find competitor ads that works for them to generate sales. Such as, for example, when I search 65-liter large capacity outdoor sports backpack, it finds 3 different Facebook ads from competitors such as this one that they're running to generate sales. But before we launch Facebook ads for products on our website, be sure to click the top link down below in the description to try AutoDS for $1 for the next 30 days, since it'll really help take your dropshipping business to the next level, from finding you winning products to sell to order fulfillment, and it'll even help you with marketing with their Ad Spy feature. Good morning, guys. It is now the next day, and today is going to be all about marketing. And to begin the day, I tried messaging the page seller on Flippa Flippa to ask what marketing strategy he used to get over $3,000 in sales. But since I sent him the $700 for the page and he sent me the login information, I've essentially been ghosted. So much for the 60 days of free training. So knowing I was on my own, I spent multiple hours researching Facebook and Instagram advertising and gathering clips or photos from the internet to market previous top-selling products on our website. And the 4 products we're gonna start by running ads for is the 65-liter outdoor backpack with 8 units sold, a weatherproof vintage outdoor blanket with 4 units sold, an ultralight tent with 3 units sold. And although we had a lot of products that sold 2 units so far, I think the best one for us to market is this inflatable outdoor camping pad. Whenever your business is failing or it's in a rut, I found it's best to go back to the things that have historically made you the most money, and it's clearly these items. So I took some time creating 3 to 5 ads for each product, and I think they turned out pretty awesome. Some of them are video ads and others are simple static image ads, and all of them were created without having the items physically in hand and just re-editing pre-existing footage or photos from the internet. I will link all the ads made down below in the description for those of you who are interested. But now we are going to post our Facebook ads by on the Facebook Ads Manager, clicking create and then sales for the marketing objective. And after connecting a meta pixel to my WordPress store, we're gonna launch a CBO campaign with 15 ads at $40 per day. Our ads are officially scheduled to start in 1 hour, so wish me luck, guys. It is currently day 5 of this journey, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. The first 3 days were all about buying the business and setup, but now it's time to check on the ads after 48 hours of letting them run. So after spending exactly $91.34 on Facebook ads, we got 2 orders, both for the weatherproof vintage outdoor jacket I was marketing. But with total revenue of $194.98, did we even make a profit? Well, broken down between ad spend and product cost, we ended this first endeavor with $17.40 profit. But this got me thinking, how about instead of testing between multiple different products, we focus in on the single item that's generating the most sales so far by finding even better videos to run as ads and split testing between multiple different variations. I just launched 3 separate campaigns promoting the vintage blanket item with the total budget of $100 per day. That's a lot of money we're burning, so wish me luck, guys. So far, I am only able to create pretty mediocre quality ads, repurposing videos from suppliers and short form content online. But our first goal is to make $250 profit so we could spend it on Fiverr UGC content creators, and then we're gonna ship them our product so they can make videos for us. Since this is a more girly item, I feel like it would be weird if I wore it in an ad, so hopefully as soon as we start bringing in some more paper, I can invest into UGC advertising. Sales the next few days continued horribly despite spending a lot of money on advertising, and the truth is, I think it's because our ads just aren't good enough to generate sales, so I bit the bullet and paid for UGC ads on Fiverr, and in the meantime, paused my Facebook ads. And when my order was delivered, I set up ads again on Facebook, this time with great success. It's currently day 8 of this challenge, and today we got another sale for $97.49 in the bank. Day 9, we also got a sale, and on day 10, we made almost $200. I think it's time to bump our ad budget back up from $25 to $50 daily. And this is where sales reached $279.52 on day 11. Since starting to run ads again on this store, we've done nearly $1,000 in sales, as you can see when we refresh the page. And in recent days, our profit has been hitting over $100. Like on day 11, when we did $279.52 in sales from selling 2 vintage jackets, and somehow someone also bought a 1-person hiking tent without me even running ads for that product. And our total product cost for all that was $123.80. We spent $50 for Facebook ads, leaving us with a profit of over $100. In the last 4 days, we haven't lost money a single time, but is it going to be enough to make back our previous losses? I guess we'll see. Today is day 12, and so far today, we're sitting at total sales of $97.49. But it's only 3:42 p.m., so sales could still go up by the end of the day. With total sales of almost $1,000 since I took over the business, I'd argue that at least in some way, I've turned it around, since if you take a look at the total all-time sales chart, you can see that the last few days, they've been higher than ever seen before. But with $720 spent on the page, $401 spent on Facebook ads, $382.52 for product cost, and $200 for UGC ads, I'd have to sell this survival-themed website for $740, but it could be argued that the website actually appreciated in value since it's technically had its best sales period in history. I just listed the website back for sale on Flippa for $1,200, and we'll see if it sells. If you guys want to see a part 2 when that eventually does happen, be sure to comment down below, and also check out the top link down below in the description to sign up for AutoDS and try them out for just $1. And on that note, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.